It's election time in Queensland, and Bundaberg Regional Council has identified 29 projects it wants support for. They include flood protection, delivering the new Bundaberg Hospital, upgrading Moore Park Road, and building a cycle path to Bargara.
One of our number one priorities through the advocacy is the flood action plan. 2013 floods affected over 7,000 people. The actual flood action plan number one priority is the levee that affects the whole of East Bundaberg and South Bundaberg. Over 2,500 homes that were inundated and many effects on thousands of members of the community.
We want to activate the CBD, and if we can bring families into the CBD by greater social infrastructure around the redevelopment of Anzac Park and the existing pool site here in the CBD, we know that that'll activate activity and make the CBD a greater place to visit for families for generations to come. The other project, obviously the Regional Aquatic facility, that's a major piece of infrastructure that's going to lift the standard of our aquatic facilities in the region. It'll be competition level, international standard for swimming, but also for a community hub where people can come, families, swimming, training, hydrotherapy, all those uses which our community is going to need into the future.
The announcement of the Bundaberg Hospital site certainly is pleasing news, and the commitment to funding the business case. A new hospital with level 5 services protecting and securing the health and well-being of our community. If we can have those level 5 services attached to our new hospital, it means better health outcomes, creating jobs and future for our young people and our current citizens, and also ensuring that we have a bright future for the whole of the Bundaberg region.
1 million trees is a target that Bundaberg Regional Council has taken on to meet environmental targets. We are going to oversee a program second to none in Australia. This program will see community groups, businesses, council all working together to provide a better future for our region, for Australia and for the world.
The advocacy document identifies a number of strategic roads that lead into the Bundaberg region. They either need upgrading or they're safety enhancing. We've had enough of the talk about a cycleway connecting the coast to the actual town area. We just ask all political parties to look at the best cost-effective ways to connect those communities, and we just need the investment of those pathways.
With our community Moore Park beaches, they need to really redesign and redevelop a community hub there behind the surf club.
Money's Creek catchment is something that has been worked on by councils for over 20 years. We have a document now that the community will shortly be able to view. They'll be able to have their comments on programs that will lead to funding.
Council's calling for the state government and Sunwater to immediately repair Paradise Dam wall up to its full original capacity.
The Advocacy Priority Plan is about creating jobs, building the environment, looking after the economic, social and environmental side of the Bundaberg region going forward so that we can become Australia's best regional community.